নমস্কাৰ প্ৰিয় বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল আপোনালোক সকলোকে প্ৰশ্নবোধ চেনেলটোলৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি আমি APSC দ্বাৰা অনুষ্ঠিত কৰা এছিষ্টেণ্ট একাউণ্টছ অফিচাৰ অফ আছাম পাৱাৰ ডিষ্ট্ৰিবিউশ্যন কোম্পানী লিমিটেড APDCLৰ পেপাৰ 1 পাৰ্ট 2 জেনেৰেল নলেজৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰখনৰ সিৰিজ এৰ কুৱেশ্যনসমূহ সলভ কৰিব ওলাইছোঁ। প্ৰথম প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল Consider the following statements. Statement 1. India, despite having uranium deposits, depends on coal for most of its electricity production. Statement 2. Uranium enriched to the extent of at least 60% is required for the production of electricity. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Option A. Both the statements are correct and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Number B. Both the statements are correct but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. Number C. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Or number D, statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে নম্বৰ C। 2 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল which of the following statements are true? 1. India has more arable area than China. 2. The proportion of irrigated area is more in India as compared to that of China. Number 3. The average productivity per hectare in Indian agriculture is higher than in China. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. Only 1 is correct. B. 1 and 2 are correct. C. 1 and 3 are correct. Or D. 2 and 3 are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B. 3 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল with reference to the Sampurti exercise, which of the following statement are true? 1. It is a joint military exercise between Indian Army and Royal Bhutan Army. Number 2. It takes place every alternate year. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. Only 1 is correct. B. Only 2 is correct. C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Or D. Both 1 and 2 are incorrect. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে D. 4 number question to hold. Consider the following statements about the anti-tank guided missile Helena. 1. It is an indigenously developed missile by DRDO. 2. It is the helicopter launchable version of the missile Nag. 3. It has a range of 70 to 80 kilometers. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. Only 1 is correct. B. Only 2 is correct. C. 2 and 3 are correct. D. All are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B. 5 number question to hold. Consider the following statements about the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO. Number 1. It is under the control of the Ministry of Home Affairs of the Government of India. Number 2. It works for enhancing self-reliance in defense systems and production of world-class weaponry. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. Only 1 is correct. B. Only 2 is correct. C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. D. Both 1 and 2 are incorrect. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে B. 6 number question to hold. Consider the following statements regarding the use of FASTag in toll gates. 1. It is a reloadable tag that automatically deducts toll and allows a vehicle to pass through a toll gate without stopping. 2. It uses radio frequency identification technology. 3. In India, it has been launched by the National Highways Authority of India. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. Only one is correct. B. 1 and 2 are correct. C. 1 and 3 are correct. D. All are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D. All are correct. 7 number question to hold. The ease of living index is assessed by which of the following ministries of the Government of India? A. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. B. Ministry of Urban Development. C. Ministry of Labor and Employment. D. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A. 8 number question to hold. Consider the following statements about the Paris Olympic Games 2024. 1. India won a total of 7 medals at the Paris Olympics. 2. Paris Olympics marked India's 26th appearance in Summer Olympics till now. 3. Indian athletes have participated in every Summer Olympics since the year 1920. Number 4. India was the first Asian nation to participate in the Olympic Games. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. 1 and 4 are correct. B. 1 and 2 are correct. C. 2, 3 and 4 are correct. D. Only 3 is correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C. 9 number question to hold. Consider the following statements about the Ahom rule in Assam. 1. The pike system was a voluntary service system during Ahom rule. 2. The pike system was designed by Momai Tamoli Borborua in the year 1609 under the rule of Pratap Singha. Number 3. The pikes rendered their service in exchange of land provided by the rulers to subjects. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. Only 1 is correct. B. 1 and 2 are correct. C. 2 and 3 are correct. D. All are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C. 10 number question to hold. Which is the southernmost point of the Indian territory? A. Indira Point in the Great Nicobar Island. B. Kanyakumari. C. Dhanushkodi in Pamban Island. Or D. Minicoy Island. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A. 11 number question to hold. Consider the following statements about the McMahon line. 1. It is a line of demarcation between the territory of India and China. 2. Bising, the last Indian village in Arunachal Pradesh, is closest to the McMahon line. 3. McMahon line is named after the British explorer John McMahon. 4. It is demarcated after a bilateral agreement was arrived at between the British and the Chinese government. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. Only 1 is correct. B. 1 and 2 are correct. C. 1 and 3 are correct. D. 1, 3 and 4 are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B. 12 number question to hold. Who are the only Bharat Ratna awardees from Assam? A. Gopinath Bordole and Mamoni Roysom Goswami. B. Bhupen Hazarika and Mamoni Roysom Goswami. C. Bhupen Hazarika and Gopinath Bordole. D. Gopinath Bordole and Nilmani Fukan. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C. 13 number question to hold. Consider the following statements about the recently launched Nijut Moina scheme of the government of Assam. 1. The scheme aims to empower the girl child through proper education in the state. 2. Under this scheme, financial assistance will be provided to the school girls till class 10. 3. One important objective of the scheme is to stop child marriage in the state. 4. Married girls are not eligible for the scheme. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. 1, 2, 3 are correct. B. 1, 3 and 4 are correct. C. 1 and 2 are correct. Or D. All are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B. 14 number question to hold. In which district of Assam is Raimona National Park located? A. Kokrajhar. B. Bongaigaon. C. Nagaon. D. Majuli. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A. 15 number question to hold. If a car travels half of its journey at 60 km per hour, 1/4 of its journey at 100 km per hour, and rests at a speed of 120 km per hour, then what is the total distance covered at the end of 1 hour? A. 60 km. B. 80 km. C. 85 km. or D. 90 km. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C. 16 number question to hold. Purnima Devi Burman from Assam is well known for her conservation efforts of which of the following endangered species? A. Greater Azothan stork. B. Pygmy hog. C. Hollow gibbon. D. White-winged wood duck. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A. 17 number question to hold. Consider the following statements pertaining to the National Education Policy of 2020. 1. Under this policy, the present 10+2 system of education will be replaced by a new curriculum structure of 5+4+3+3 system. 2. The new policy is also aimed to bring the uncovered children in the age group of 3 to 6 years under school curriculum. 3. Teaching up to grade 5 will be in mother tongue or regional language to facilitate learning. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. 1 and 2 are correct. B. 2 and 3 are correct. C. 1 and 3 are correct. D. All are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D. 18 number question to hold. Consider the following statements. 1. One-horned rhino is only found in Assam, India. 2. Javan rhinos is the rarest one-horned rhinos in the world. 3. African rhinos is also known as white rhinos. 4. World Rhinoceros Day is observed on 22nd October each year. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. 1 and 4 are correct. B. 1, 3 and 4 are correct. C. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. D. All are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C. 19 number questionটো হ'ল consider the following statements about the carbon farming. 1. Carbon farming is a type of agricultural practice. 2. It helps to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and store carbon in plants and soil. 3. Farmland carbon credits can be bought and sold in a special market. 4. Carbon farming is not practiced in India yet. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. B. 1, 2 and 4 are correct. C. Only 1 is correct. Or D. All are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A. 20 number questionটো হ'ল in computer terminology, phishing refers to A. Illegal intrusion into a computer system with malafide intention. B. Creating a false account of someone in social media without his/her consent. C. Pulling out confidential personal information from a bank or institutional database. Or D. Forcefully gaining control of an website while the owner loses control of it. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C. 21 number questionটো হ'ল if a public information officer PIO envisaged under the Right to Information Act fails to provide the required information to the applicant within the stipulated time frame, it is called A. Contemptuous response. B. Holding of information. C. Deemed acceptance. D. Deemed rejection. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D. 22 number questionটো হ'ল along with Assam, the foxtail orchid or kopo ফুল is also the state flower of which of the following states? A. Meghalaya. B. Arunachal Pradesh. C. Tripura. D. Manipur. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B. 23 number questionটো হ'ল recently the Tata Group has started a new semiconductor project in Assam. Consider the following statements about the project. 1. This semiconductor project located in Jagirod is first of its kind in India. 2. It is projected to produce up to 50 billion semiconductor chips every year. 3. The project has an estimated cost of over 80,000 crores. 4. The semiconductor chips produced here will be exclusively used in India. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. Only 1 is correct. B. 1 and 2 are correct. C. 1, 3 and 4 are correct. D. All are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A. 24 number questionটো হ'ল consider the following statements about the historic Potharu Ghat peasant uprising during the British rule. 1. Uprising of peasants in Potharu Ghat of Dorong district in Assam was against the irrational increase of land tax rate by the British. 2. On this fateful day of 28 January 1894, 143 peasants were killed and hundreds of others injured in indiscriminate police firing. 3. 28th January is commemorated as Krikhak Shohid Divas in Assam. 4. Since the year 2000, Indian Army has been paying homage to the Potharughat martyrs on 29th January every year. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. 1 and 3 are correct. B. 2 and 3 are correct. C. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. D. All are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D. 25 number question to hold. Which one of the following effects of creation of black money in India has been the main cause of worry of the government? A. Diversion of resources for the purchase of real estate and investment in luxury housing. B. Investment in unproductive activities of purchase of precious stones, jewelry, gold, etc. C. Large donations to political parties and growth of regionalism in India. D. Loss of revenue to the state exchequer due to tax evasion. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D. 26 number question to hold. The Global Gender Gap Index published by the World Economic Forum annually benchmarks the current state of evolution of gender parity across which of the following fields? 1. Economic participation and opportunity. 2. Educational attainment. 3. Health and survival indicators. 4. Political empowerment. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. 1 and 2 are correct. B. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. C. All are correct. D. None of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C. 27 number question to hold. Consider the following statements about the Reserve Bank of India (RBI). 1. The Governor of the Reserve Bank of India is appointed by the central government for a certain term. 2. Certain provisions in the Constitution of India give right to the central government to issue directions to the RBI in public interest. 3. The Governor of RBI draws power from the RBI Act. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. 1 and 2 are correct. B. 2 and 3 are correct. C. 1 and 3 are correct. D. All are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C. 28 number question to hold. Which of the following countries has been fraught from decades of civil strife and food shortage and was in the news in the recent past for its severe famine? A. Angola. B. Somalia. C. Nigeria. D. Ecuador. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B. 29 number question to hold. A mother is now twice as old as her son. If 20 years ago the age of the mother was 10 times the age of her son, what is the present age of the mother? A. 38 years. B. 40 years. C. 43 years. D. 45 years. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D. 30 number question to hold. Identify the festival with the following description. Number 1. It is the most popular festival in Jaintia tribe of Meghalaya. 2. It is celebrated in the month of July for good health, prosperity, and bumper harvest. 3. The non-Christian Nar people who believe either in the traditional faith of Nyamtre or Hinduism observe this festival. Which of the following is the festival we are referring to? A. Hornbill Festival. B. Amur Falcon Festival. C. Nongkrang Festival. D. Bhedinklam Festival. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D. 31 number question to hold. Illuminate and rutile are abundantly available in certain coastal tracts and beach sands in India. Which are resources of which of the following metals? A. Titanium. B. Aluminium. C. Iron. D. Copper. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A. 32 number question to hold. In respect of the casual workers employed in India, which of the following statements are correct? 1. All casual workers are entitled in employee provident fund coverage. 2. All casual workers are entitled to regular working hours and overtime payment. 3. The government can, by a notification, specify that an establishment or industry shall pay wages only through the bank account. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. 1 and 2 are correct. B. 2 and 3 are correct. C. 1 and 3 are correct. D. All are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D. 33 number question to hold. Consider the following statements about the El Nino phenomenon in geographical parlance. Number 1. El Nino is a climate pattern originating in the Pacific Ocean by warming ocean surface. 2. El Nino adversely affects the monsoon in Indian subcontinent. 3. El Nino invariably occurs every 10 years. 4. This phenomenon of 1982 to 83 was the worst and most devastating in the century. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. 1 and 4 are correct. B. Only 1 is correct. C. 1, 2 and 4 are correct. D. All are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C. 34 number question to hold. Train A is moving at a speed of 60 km per hour and train B is crossing train A from the opposite direction at a speed of 90 km per hour in a parallel track. Ravi, a commuter in the train B, was running inside the train in the direction of moving train A at a speed of 15 km per hour. What is the relative speed of Ravi with respect to train A? A. 150 km per hour. B. 135 km per hour. C. 165 km per hour. D. 75 km per hour. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B. 35 number question to hold. Albert Einstein is the great scientist propounded several revolutionary theories in the 20th century. Which of the following statements about Einstein is correct? 1. He propounded the theories of special and general relativity about space and time. 2. He was a German citizen. 3. He received the Nobel Prize for his theories of relativity. 4. He worked as a patent clerk in Swiss office before his great discoveries. A. 1 and 2 are correct. B. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. C. 1, 2 and 4 are correct. D. All are correct. Our শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C. 36 number question to hold. Raymond Magsaysay Award for Excellence in Certain Fields is named after the former president of which one of the following countries? A. Philippines. B. Japan. C. Indonesia. D. Laos. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A. 37 number question to hold. Which of the following is correct about the Charaideo Moidam, a heritage of the Ahom kingdom in Assam? Number 1. It represents the mound burial tradition of the Thai Ahom community. 2. Charaideo Moidam has been enlisted as the 43rd World Heritage Site in India. 3. It is the 3rd World Heritage Site in Assam. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. Only 1 is correct. B. 1 and 2 are correct. C. 2 and 3 are correct. D. All are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D. 38 number question to hold. Consider the following statements. 1. National Rural Livelihood Mission NRLM was launched in 2011 by Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India. 2. Pradhan Mantri Gramin Awas Yojana is aimed at providing free housing to the rural people who are poor and cannot afford the house. 3. Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kausalya Yojana DDU-GKY, which was launched in the year 2014, is aimed at developing one village by each member of the parliament as a model village. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. Only 1 is correct. B. 1 and 2 are correct. C. Only 2 is correct. D. All are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B. 39 number question to hold. Read the following assertion A and reason R and find out the correct answer from the options given below. Assertion A to hold. Urban sprawl is the physical expansion of the city both in terms of population and area. Reason R to hold. It is caused mainly due to migration of people from rural areas and small towns to the big cities and also for the natural increase in population. Options সমূহ A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B. 40 number question to hold. Consider the following statements in regard to the ancient history of Kamrupa and its kings of various dynasties. 1. The founder of the Burman dynasty was Kumar Bhaskar Burman. 2. The last king of Salastambha dynasty was Tyaga Sinha. 3. The last king of the Burman dynasty was Pushyavarman. 4. The last king of the Pala dynasty was Dharmapal. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. 1 and 3 are correct. B. 2 and 4 are correct. C. 1 and 2 are correct. D. 3 and 4 are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B. 41 number question to hold. Which of the following temples is built out of a single mountain rock by Rashtrakuta kings and considered as a marvel of the world? A. The Holy Saleswar Temple of Halebidu. B. The Meenakshi Temple of Rameswaram. C. The Kailasa Temple of Ellora. D. The Brihadeswara Temple of Tanjavur. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C. 42 number question to hold. Which of the following is the best example of repeated falls in sea level from ancient times, giving rise to the present day extensive marshland? A. Bhitarkanika mangroves. B. Marakanam salt pans. C. Naupada swamps. Or D. Run of Kutch. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D. 43 number question to hold. Which among the following steps are most likely to be taken at the time of an economic recession? 1. Cut in tax rates accompanied by an increase in the interest rate. 2. Increase in expenditure in public projects. 3. Increase in tax rates accompanied by reduction in interest rate. 4. Reduction of expenditure in public projects. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. 1 and 2 are correct. B. Only 2 is correct. C. 2 and 3 are correct. D. 1, 2 and 4 are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B. 44 number question to hold. Which of the following Buranjis were written by Ratnakandali and Arjun Das Boiragi? A. Tripura Buranji. B. Kochari Buranji and Ochom Buranji. C. Tripura Buranji and Kamrup Buranji. D. Kochari Buranji. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A. 45 number question to hold. At which altitude above the earth is a geostationary communication satellite placed and why? A. At 36,000 km because from this height most of the earth's surface is covered. B. At 36,000 km because its revolution around the earth coincides with the rotation of the earth. C. At 24,000 km because its revolution coincides with the rotation of the earth. D. At 24,000 km because loss of signal is minimum at this distance for communication. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B. 46 number question to hold. Women's Wizards Rule Tech program launched by NESCOM is related to which of the following? A. Increasing the number of women at senior levels in the information technology IT industry. B. Improving B. Improving participation of the girl children studying in schools in science education. C. Increasing the enrollment of women in higher education and research. D. None of the above. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল A. 47 number question to hold. Consider the following statements about national parks in India. 1. No human settlement or activity is permitted within the boundaries of a national park. 2. State governments can change the boundaries of the park on its own. 3. Tamil Nadu has the maximum number of national parks in India. 4. Assam has 7 national parks. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. Only 1 is correct. B. 1 and 4 are correct. C. 2 and 3 are correct. D. 2, 3 and 4 are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল B. কিন্তু আমি জানিব পাইছোঁ যে 4 নম্বৰ অপশ্যনটো ভুল হৈ আছে কাৰণ আসামত এতিয়া 7খন নহয় 8খন নেশ্যনেল পাৰ্ক এতিয়া নতুনকৈ হোৱা নেশ্যনেল পাৰ্কখন চিকনা জেলাও নেশ্যনেল পাৰ্ক 48 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো হ'ল দ্য কুইট ইণ্ডিয়া মুভমেণ্ট ইজ অলছ' ন'ন এজ A. June movement. B. July 4th movement. C. August movement. Or D. May 4th movement. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C. 49 number questionটো হ'ল which of the following is correct about the Aboriginal Santhal tribe of India? 1. Santhals are native to the Chotanagpur region of the country. 2. Santhals are originally a hunter-gatherer tribe but now have varied activities. 3. They have a system of governance called Majhi Pargana. 4. They represent the largest scheduled tribe population in the country. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. A. Only 1 is correct. B. 1 and 2 are correct. C. 1, 3 and 4 are correct. D. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল D. 50 number questionটো হ'ল Pushkar Fair or festival is celebrated in which of the following states? A. Gujarat. B. Maharashtra. C. Rajasthan. D. Madhya Pradesh. আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C. Rajasthan. ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগিল যদি লাইক কৰিব আৰু চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ল'ব এনে ধৰণৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ্ছৰ সলিউশনছৰ কাৰণে লগতে আপোনাৰ বন্ধুবৰ্গকো ভিডিঅ'টো শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব যাতে তেওঁলোকো লাভৱান হয় আমাৰ প্ৰশ্নকোষ ৱেবছাইটতো আপুনি ভিজিট কৰি এক্সাম ৰিলেটেড বিভিন্ন ডকুমেণ্টছ সংগ্ৰহ কৰিব পাৰিব ধন্যবাদ